I know someday we could finally be. I know someday we could finally be.
Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first home decor haul and I'm really excited. I love home decor. It's a huge passion of mine. I love it so much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the video, but first I just wanna say that a lot of these items are a little bit more pricey, and that's just because I've been slowly replacing some of my old items in my house with things that are gonna last me way longer and that are better quality. So let's get into the video. Okay, so this first item is a glass ribbed carafe, and I'm really excited about this because I put water next to my bed every single night, but I don't really like to have the plastic water bottles or my hydro flask, and I wanted something prettier because home decor, you know. All my girls, guys out there who love home decor, you understand this. So I got this glass carafe, and I just think it's the perfect piece to add to your room. It's very timeless and very beautiful. Okay, so because we were just talking about ribbed items, I wanted to show this ribbed votive glass container. And this I got off of a garden website, or like a florist garden website, and it's beautiful. I love it. I think it's very timeless. I have them in a smaller size, but I don't have them out at the moment. I have them packed up, but I love this. I love it so much. I love detail items, and so when I saw this, I had to have it. Okay, so my next two items are a bit more luxury. A lot of you guys know that I'm a wedding photographer. I get these for gifts for my clients who book me, and every time I get them one, I want to. So I got me two more Jo Malone candles in the scent Peony and Blush Suede. It's my favorite scent. It's beautiful and I love it, especially for spring and summer. I have been very much into the coffee table book trend. I got this Alexander McQueen coffee table book to start my collection. These are a little bit more pricey, so it's gonna take me some time to build this collection, but I wanted to start with something that had a lot of detail so that I could add items on top of it and just make it look so beautiful, and not just something that doesn't have any detail, doesn't look pretty, and that I can't kind of dress up. So this was my first one. I love it so much. It's definitely going to stick around for a while because I feel like this print just really lasts. So, coffee table book. So new things in here is this duvet. This is from Restoration Hardware. It's a linen duvet. And I also got these pillowcases. I do need to go back and get their size pillow because they're a little too big for the pillows that I have, but you know, whatever. I love the linen. I have yet to get the wrinkles out, but the linen is just so good. It just kind of brings in more of an organic feel instead of like super glam and luxury, and I think I like that a little bit more. I do want to get a white quilt for right here, but for the time being, this is how it is. I got this fur pillow from ZGallerie. It is November and we're getting close to Christmas time, so I really love to add fur around Christmas time, but this one was half off. These pillows are normally over $100. I think I paid $80 with tax, or $85, I can't remember, but it was half off, and I have been eyeing this pillow for quite a while, and I just got it. I was gonna get two, but my sister talked me into just getting one. She's like, you can always come back for the other one, and I'm so glad I only got one because they were final sale and I only needed one. Did get, excuse my cords back there, we're still working on it. Actually, I haven't done anything, that's a lie. But this whiskey I thought was just so beautiful. I love alcohol and I love decorating with alcohol or liquor, and this is kind of what I have going on so far, but we will be adding to this over time. I love detail. It's definitely something I'm known for in my photography business, but also in my home decor. I got this cute little stand with little feet. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this. I do need to order a black pillar candle to put on top. I don't think that the white candles look that great, so I'm gonna order a black pillar candle and put this on maybe a stack of books or something like that. I'll show you guys how I style this when I have all the pieces put together, but I definitely love this one. Also, everything that I'm mentioning is linked below. If you've ever been to my house, you know that I don't decorate with color. I decorate with plants. I have killed a lot of plants and I am working on being a better plant mom. My style is rustic, glam, or I like antique, modern type of things. So this next plant pot I was super excited for. I want all the different sizes. I started with one and it's this cement pot. It's very modern, it's very beautiful, very much my style, but I love it so much. I think it's so beautiful and it adds just the perfect amount of modern to my home. And I want all the sizes, like I said, it's gorgeous. As I just mentioned, I love antique items. So when I saw this next item, I immediately thought of Restoration Hardware and how they decorate very like a modern, timeless vibe, but add in certain pieces of antiques. Recently, when I was in Boston, I went to the Restoration Hardware and they had a lot more antiques at that Restoration Hardware compared to the one in Phoenix. So I was super inspired because it was very much my style, very modern, but with an element of old and warmth. So I went antique shopping with my friend and found this piece and I had to have it. It was so beautiful and I pictured it right on my ottoman. It looks so beautiful. I love it. It's the perfect piece. Let me show you. So I got this antique riser. I would say, I don't really know what you would call this, but I can do so many different things with this. Right now it's just on my ottoman, which is my coffee table. But I also thought I could put some parchment paper down or something to protect it, and also we don't want our food touching this, and do a charcuterie board, charcuterie, however you say that, or put it into a guest room, put some, things on this on their bed. This I can do so many different things with, and I'm really excited for it. The next item is from Target, and I was blown away. I'm very, very picky with items that I get from Target or places like that. Even Home Goods, TJ Maxx, I'm very picky with what I pick out because I want my items to last for a long time. I don't want them to go in and out. I don't want them to just look cheap, or I would rather not have the items than to settle for something that looks really cheap and that I'm not gonna get a lot of use out of. So I'm talking about these bar utensils, or whatever you would call this. I think that the brass is really beautiful on these, and normally when you go to places like Target or Walmart or even Home Goods, things like that, the metal can look really, really cheap. And so my tip on gold items is to lean towards brass because it looks more high-end and expensive. Whenever you go to Restoration Hardware or any higher-end stores, a lot of the times they have more brass items, and I thought these looked like they were from West Elm or Pottery Barn, and I have been looking for these, and at Pottery Barn, West Elm, places like that, they were a minimum of $80, but I got these for $30, $35 at Target, and they go on sale, and I bought them full price. I love to decorate with marble and different materials, so I got these marble containers from Home Goods, and I just think that marble is super timeless, and you can do so many things. Right now, I currently have my bar utensils in this one, and then some fall decor in this one. I have my Christmas and fall out. I'm just doing it all. But I think that mixing with different materials is a really big way to elevate your home, to make it look purposeful, and to make it look like it makes sense, or like a designer came in and styled your home. So if you don't have different materials, I would say that could be a very great first step to elevating your home. Okay, you guys, that is it. Those are my home finds as of late. My next couple of videos are gonna be more holiday related. I'm gonna be doing a Christmas, like holiday decor video, also showing you guys our tradition on our tree and decorating a tablescape so that you can elevate your tablescape and wow your guests and all of that. So those are my next couple of videos. I hope that you guys subscribe, give my video a like, and return to see more. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.